Many Microsoft Store users have reported they cannot use the app in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 because of this error. And if you also have the same problem, here's how to fix it. So for the first solution, run the Internet Connection and Network Adapters troubleshooters. Just have to open Control Panel, click Troubleshooting, then double-click on Internet Connections or Network Adapter to open one of those troubleshooters, click Next in those troubleshooters, and apply any potential fixes suggested. Next, repair and reset Microsoft Store app. Do it by searching Apps and Features, search Microsoft Store apps, click More Options, choose Advanced Options, then scroll down to repair or reset the app. Lastly, changing the DNS server settings is a resolution that's worked for some users. You just have to open Settings, select Network and Internet in Settings, click the Wi-Fi or Ethernet navigation option, then select your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network adapter in the Advanced Network settings. Next, press the Edit option next to the DNS server assignment, select the Manual option, turn on the IPv4 option if it's not already, then enter new servers in the preferred DNS and alternative DNS boxes, and then press Enter. And those are the possible fixes in your Microsoft Store error code on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.